Lynn Hogan. It's Up Late. We are here. We're good to go. It's a brand new week, and every Monday on the show, it's Monday Punday. It's all about football tonight. I hope you'll get involved. I'll tell you more about it soon, but right now, starting off with the Human League on Up Late.
This is Up Late with Lynn Hogan
on BBC Radio Scotland.
In a cocktail bar when I met you, I picked you out, I shook you up and turned you around, turned you into someone new. Now 5 years later on, you've got the world at your feet. Success has been so easy for you, but don't forget it's me who put you where you are now, and I can put you back down too. Don't you want me? You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see me. Don't you want me? You know I don't believe you when you say that you don't need me. It's what you're left to find. You think you change your mind? You better change it back or we will both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, I was working as a waitress in a cocktail bar. That much is true. But even then I knew I'd find a much better place, either with or without you. The 5 years we've had have been such good times. I still love you, but now I think it's time I live my life on my own. I guess it's just what I must do. Don't you want me? You know I can't believe it when I hear that you won't see me. Don't you want me? You know I don't believe you when you say that you don't need me. It's what you're left to find. You think you've changed your mind? You better change it back or we will both be sorry. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh. Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want me? Oh, don't you want me, baby? Don't you want
The Human League, BBC Radio Scotland. You're listening to Up Late. I'm Lynn Hogan. Welcome to Monday's show. It's the 20th of April. And we're going to finish off the last couple of hours of Monday together. Hopefully it's been a good start of the week for you. I've had a lovely wee day actually, and I managed a wee 35-minute nap earlier, which I feel has just refreshed me and sorted me out for the night. And it's Monday Punday on the show. It's Punday every Monday on Up Late, and it's all about football. Could you believe it's nearly 50 days to the World Cup? It's coming up for 50 days and it's getting exciting.
Dream, 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 dream when I want you in my arms, when I want you, and all all your charms whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 dream when I feel blue in the night and I need you to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream.
You're listening to BBC Radio Scotland. It's Up Late. I'm Lynn Hogan here with you until midnight, Monday to Thursday on Up Late, and then it's Ashley's Story on a Friday, and it's Pundy. Every Monday is Pundy here on Up Late. It's all about football tonight. Make a Song Football. It's coming up for 50 days to the World Cup. It's all getting very exciting now. And hi to Kev, the Paisley trucker, who's got in touch. Football Strip It Up by Orange Juice for Pundy, which is great. And hi to Jimmy. He says, hi both. What about Glenn Campbell Classic? I'm a linesman for Derby County. Very good as well. Yeah, so if you can make a song football, whether it's a team or maybe something to do with a stadium or anything football related, if you can get it into a song, then drop us a message. It's 80295 on the text. You can email us uplate@bbc.co.uk, and you can WhatsApp or voice note this number as well, 08085 92 95 00.
Pretty little angel eyes, pretty little angel eyes, pretty little angel, pretty little angel, pretty little, pretty little, pretty little angel. Pretty, pretty little angel eyes.
Angel eyes, I really love you so. Angel eyes, I'll never let you go, because I love you, my darling angel eyes.
Pretty, pretty, pretty little angel eyes.
Angel eyes, you are so good to me, and when I'm in your arms, you feel so heavenly. You know I love you,
Lies on BBC Radio Scotland. That's Home and Away. What a great song that is. I just love everything that Wet 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 do. And it's Monday Pundy. It's all about football because it's coming up for 50 days until the World Cup. It's getting very exciting. So we're playing songs related to football. If you can think of any puns, then get in touch. You can text 80295, WhatsApp me on 08085 92 95 00 and email uplate@bbc.co.uk. There's some absolutely brilliant suggestions coming in. Evening, guys. Angel the Trucker here down in Kings Lynn. Listen to last week's shows over the weekend as I drove up and down the UK in the lorry with all your diet tips and shenanigans. I actually remember our diet tips was basically you and your fasting carry on.
Yeah.
And me telling everybody just to not ever go on the soup diet because it's the most disgusting thing ever. And you're still doing it, by the way, just for an update on your diet. You're still doing this fasting and then you're eating a bit and you've got your time slots to fasting and is it working?
Think so.
That's good.
It's still early days, but feel better.
That's good. And that's exactly what you want, is to feel better. Is to feel the jeans getting a little bit looser.
It stops me eating the junk at night. There's no toast in the bed.
No, here's the new tip that producer Paul just said to me when we were playing that song. When you get home, brush your teeth.
That's a known thing.
You don't want to eat after
If you go home late and you need a snack, they say you should just immediately brush your teeth the minute you get in and then you won't eat anything.
Once the minty flavour goes, then I'd be like, oh, time for a wee snack in bed.
It doesn't go for a while.
But Angel the Trucker's come up with some amazing football puns. John McGinn to the Valley by the Skids. Okay. That's good. Gun taking on the World Cup. And here is a belter. Hibsway, the honey thief. We need to play that.
Yes, that's a good one.
That is a really good
go
one.
On.
Yeah, there's some more coming in and we'll get through them very, very soon. But right now it's time for the missing link on Up Late. We do every night. It's our feature where I play two songs back to back and you have to guess the link between the two. And now there's a little added extra onto it where people are now trying to guess just by hearing the first song what the link is. And you can do that if you want as well because it really annoys producer Paul if anybody gets it in the first one. You're going to hear two songs and there's some form of connection between the two. Could be something silly, it could be a fact common to both songs, it could be something more cryptic, and some nights it's easy and other nights it's not so easy. Tonight's is, I think, pretty easy.
Yeah, an easy one to ease you into the beat.
I actually got tonight's and I got it quite early, which to be fair, we've said before on the show, if Lynn can get it, anyone can get it.
The 2, the 3, the 4, them dirty red dogs done hit the door and they got everybody on their hands and knees, and they ain't gon' leave until they find them kids. Now if Dirty Bill Clinton fronted me some weight, told me keep 2, bring him back 8, and I only brought him 5 and held on to 3. Do you think that Clampett to sick his goons on me? See, Martell Holmes, that's my claim to fame. That's where I learned my slickest tricks in the hustling gang. Like my favorite, I call it lemon head delight. That's when you lick off all the yellow and you sell the white.
Right, well if pimpin' be get sportsy, I be being that wide receiver. The player the B.I.G. will make all people believers. Sippin' on Quavo Gold off in the club, drunk as what? Calling them crows snitches and folding my leaves up. Went up too sober, yeah older. Now I'm almost legal. Wanted to live the life of Cadillacs and Pilots and Regals. Messing around with the pros, playing the cuts in the South, kicking that same southern slang, looking for love up in your jaw, bro.
Now they get you hyped, and reefer makes you calm. Cigarettes give you cancer, woo-woos make you dumb. What you really know about the dirty side? What you really know about the dirty side? See, never did I think when I got grown that some pee-wee sacks have been untook this town. See, life's a trick, then you figure out why you really got dropped in the dirty side. See, in the 3rd grade, this is what you told. You was bought, you was sold. Now they saying Juice left some heads cracked. I bet you Jed Clampett want his money back. See, East Point Atlanta through this roadblock, talking about all this blow traffic got to stop. So the big time players off John Freeman way had to find themselves another back street to take. Cause back in the day we was out of control. We didn't understand, no man, that money ain't yours. That's when me and Big Slate took an oath and swear never would we talk, never would we take. So when they pulled up, bumpin' rock the bells, we took what we wanted and left them quiet as hell. What you really know about the dirty side? What you really know about the dirty side?
Man, the Cobra's got the boys on the low on their back. Kip hollered at Miss Ann, she said they didn't get trapped. Behind the black, behind the green, behind the red tent. Dealers breaking off that blower for them wood chips. A lot of faces ain't around, a lot of folks got shot. Scatter Mac dropping cheese while that crystals pop. Been on the ground with cool breeze, dropping pounds with beat. Eric Neal is the coolest from a century. Mac Town keeps growing old school like Charles. Stankin' like them Lakers in P. my paw. Perry homes to her, the home to all the homes. Adamsville to Pool Creek, just don't sleep in the dirty side.
2 to 3 to 4, them dirty red dogs done hit the door, and they got everybody on their hands and knees, and they ain't gon' leave until they find them keys. See, powder get you hyper, reefer makes you calm, cigarettes give you cancer, woo-woos make you dumb. What you really know about the dirty side? What you really know about the dirty side? Yeah, the dirty side.
It's a Midwest thing, y'all. They ain't got a clue. Why my cutlass blue and I got them things on that too. It's a Midwest swing, y'all. They ain't got a trip. While we swing and dip, keep that thing on.
Hey, what you think we live on a farm? Be for real, we got Benz, Rovers and Jags, Hummers and DeVille's. Got a green S-Class, ain't broke the door sale. Ain't been the same since I signed for real. The got real when I hit 4 mil. 5 and counting, 36 at the wheel. Did 7 on the slide, 8 worldwide. I be on my 3rd Bentley by the time I'm at 9. I hear him crying, you gon' sell out? You're damn right, I done sold out before and recomped the same night. Straight hop the next flight, too icy for sunlight. Dunking without Sprite, yeah, you heard me there. I'm from the show me state, show me 7, I show you 8. Carrots and 1 ring, heavily starched jeans. Representing St. Louis every time I breathe. In the city, I touch down and I bob and weave.
Hey, y'all. They ain't got a clue. Why my cutlass blue and I got them things on that too. It's a Midwest swing, y'all. They ain't got a trip. While we swing and dip, keep that thing on.
I sport my beef on my boots. That's why I be a buzz when I kick. Maybe it's on my lips. It's chaos when I spit. Quarter man, quarter schoolboy, half lunatic, quarter rubber, quarter other half in your chick. Keep a quarter of some. I'm the pookie of the backyard. All colors and all types like a junkyard. High young boy with high young ways. Cause I connect 3 and be for 3 days. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't from around her. Probably couldn't tell cause I ain't walking nowhere. I got a old school colors with a hole in the earth. TVs, world, wood, grain, and stir. I don't care, hell no, I ain't cutting my hair. 10.5 in the Air Force Ones, give me 2 per. I'm from the Lou and what I do is a Lou thing. 1 rapper, 2 rings, and 3 chains.
Country boys that ride V12 horses, saddle up and put spurs on my Air Forces. Back porches made for high gold seat. We got space out here, we can ride cheap. Ain't gotta worry about nobody approaching us. By the time they catching up, we smoked it up. Yeah, my eyes be red, my lips a little dark. The Lewis more than the Ram cards and little arch. My dirties love to spark and love to sparkle. Love on me vocal coats with matching cargo. We racing down sneakers, see how fast our car go. Granny like, like Ricky Ricardo. I know you wanna know why we do what we do. You cats ain't got a clue why the cutlass blue. Brand new 22s on new UPs.